everyone. Welcome back to AWS On Air. We are live from Las Vegas, Nevada at reInvent 2022. My name is Jeff Marushak. I'm a senior solutions architect with our DoD Air Force team, and I am graced by my co-host presence. Nathan, take it away.
Hi, my name is Nathan. I'm a developer advocate on the Container Services team. And we also have a fantastic guest today. Why don't you introduce yourself?
Hey, well, good to be with you guys today. My name is Adam Solomon. I'm Global Head of Data Collaboration Solutions for Advertising and Marketing at AWS. And I'm part of a broader team of advertising and marketing technology subject matter experts that help our customers with their advertising and marketing needs.
So let's start here. What are some challenges that are keeping advertisers and marketers from losing sleep? What's keeping them up at night? Why are they losing sleep?
Advertising and marketing technology is undergoing tremendous disruption and transformation. Marketers are increasingly concerned about understanding their customers. The mythical customer 360. I want to know everything about my customer.
Yeah.
Customers are interacting across many touch points. How do I know what they're doing? How do I stitch it together? It's a huge problem for marketers. Marketers, media platforms, and their partners have needs around data collaboration. Everyone needs to work with someone to help them with their media planning, their activation, running ad campaigns, and then measurement. And then finally, media consumption is undergoing exponential increases across many platforms. So when it comes to ad serving and ad technology, you have tremendous scale. Tens of millions of ad requests per second that need to be delivered in ultra-low latency. Very challenging problems all around the industry.
So obviously, AWS loves big data, loves operating at scale, low latency. Tell us what AWS is doing to help solve these problems for advertisers.
Well, today we're very happy to announce AWS for Advertising and Marketing. So they say you need the right tool for the right job. And so what we're doing with AWS for Advertising and Marketing is that there are 5 areas that we're focusing on behalf of advertisers and marketers to give them the solutions that they need. And alongside of that, there was an exciting announcement in Adam Selipsky's keynote this morning for AWS Clean Rooms, which is a service that also aligns with our solutions for the industry.
All right, so can you walk us through these 5 critical solution areas?
Yeah, absolutely. So first, it starts with audience and customer data management. I mentioned before one of the challenges is customer 360. Audience and customer data management is the world of understanding who your customers are, pulling together data points from different locations, building out that profile, and then using that information about your customer to provide personalized, tailored experiences. We also have privacy-enhanced data collaboration. So whether a marketer wants to work with a media company, a publisher wants to work with an ad tech, companies increasingly want to work together to analyze their data across different repositories, but they want to do this in a secure and privacy-compliant manner. Once you have all your data pulled together and you start the analysis, then you have ad intelligence and measurement. The power of machine learning, and this is something we do very well here, SageMaker and such, using machine learning to understand content and context, to segment consumers into different groups for personalization purposes, and also using machine learning for measurement. Measurement is a very challenging area right now, understanding what consumers did after they were exposed to an ad. We're also focused on ad platforms. This is programmatic and other types of digital advertising across many platforms, being able to make decisions in a very fast manner and being able to deliver it in at internet scale. And then finally, we have customer experience. As consumers are interacting with different touch points, being able to deliver personalized experience across websites, apps, push notifications, that's the world of customer experience. And these 5 areas all interact, but there are tremendous challenges that our customers are facing there, and we're happy to support them in their needs.
So I can imagine there's a variety of different personas that would be interested in this. Like, there's obviously the ad agency, but who are the other folks that can benefit from this suite of tools and solutions?
Yeah, so these challenges, I mean, advertising and marketing is an area where you have many companies who are interacting with each other across the media buying and delivery landscape. So you have marketers, so brands, brands that we know and love, interact with their products all the time. You have agencies representing the brands. You have advertising technology companies. You have marketing technology companies. And then you have media companies and publishers. Within those different customer types, you have different personas. You have technical personas, and you have business personas. The technical personas are your CTOs, your chief data officers, your CIOs, and they work in partnership with the business personas. This could be a head of product, head of analytics, business line owners. And it very much is the case that the technical persona and the business persona need to work hand in hand to understand what are the business challenges that they're dealing with and what are some of the solutions and approaches that are required to help address those needs.
So we've spent the first part of this really setting the stage, explaining who, what, and why, but let's talk about how. Exactly how are you guys going to be helping our customers?
So within advertising and marketing solutions, we very much take a use case driven approach. So we have these 5 areas that we focus on, and in each area of focus, we really talk to our customers and work backwards from their needs and understand where are the key challenges across many customers in a given area. And then we respond to those challenges with various kinds of solutions. These solutions could be AWS Services. These solutions could be partner solutions. We have over 150 partners in the advertising and marketing technology vertical who help our customers. And we also have bespoke AWS solutions that we build for customers to help them with their needs. And we're really trying to give our customers the right tools that they need based on common and very important use cases.
So let's talk about the big launch for today, the AWS Clean Rooms. How does this underpin that experience, the expertise that AWS is able to offer to advertising interested folks?
In advertising and marketing, we've heard from our customers for quite a long time that there are these challenges in data collaboration. Increasingly, customers in advertising and marketing want to work together. Brands with publishers, agencies with ad tech, MarTech with measurement companies. They want to collaborate together, and they want to perform analysis and derive insights from their collective data sets. At the same time, no one wants to expose the granular content of their data.
Because you're getting to a fine line there where you're playing with PII, and people don't want that to get out. But it does help to coordinate with
And this customer need, it many times feels like it's at odds with the desire to protect your customer data, adhere to privacy regulations and compliance needs. And so how do you do that? So AWS Clean Rooms is a new service that was announced this morning that allows our customers who already have their data on AWS in S3, have their data lakes on AWS, to collaborate in a privacy-enhanced manner with other customers who have their data on AWS data lakes. You leave your data where it is. You don't have to move it anywhere. You register it with AWS Clean Rooms. You set the analysis controls on your data. You set the rules of the road in terms of how your data can be used in an analysis. And then you can perform analysis and derive insights. So I'll give you an example. So if you're a marketer and you want to work with a media company, and first you want to understand, well, how many of my existing customers might be on your platform?
Right.
How do I know this? How do I know that intersection? I don't want to show you my data. You don't want to show me yours. So before you run a campaign, you can do an intersection analysis. And perhaps when you find those intersected customers, then the media company or publisher can tell you more about those individuals, what they like, what they're watching. Another example is measurement. A media platform runs a campaign, and then you have a measurement provider who can provide insights into who saw an ad or who saw a show and what are their attributes, or after a campaign, did someone purchase an item or what happened next. These are things where there's very valuable data sets, but people do not want to expose the granular content of data to each other.
So if I understand correctly, it's basically acting kind of like a neutral third party, which can do the analysis in between and never share the raw underlying data with either party unless they eventually agree to that.
Historically, the way companies did this is that there was a neutral third party, an actual entity where the data was shared with that entity, and that's where the analysis was done. Today, with the power of the cloud and AWS Clean Rooms, the technology can perform the analysis and act as that area where we can do the analysis without sharing the content with each other.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
So tell us real quick who the partners are who are working with us already.
Yeah, so our announced customers include Amazon Ads. Amazon Ads is using AWS Cleanrooms. Analect, which is an agency, part of Omnicom. We have ComScore. We have Dish. And we also have Fox, a large media company. On the partner side of things, we have LiveRamp, Neustar, and Experian, and they're bringing their identity data services to help with AWS Cleanroom collaborations. And we also have Deloitte Digital, Capgemini, and Slalom to help our customers who need to implement AWS Cleanroom solutions.
Gotcha. All right, well, Clark, thanks for being here today. I hope you enjoy the rest of reInvent. This sounds really exciting. Thanks for sharing it with us. Nathan, thanks for being with me, my co-host. And everyone, we'll be back right after a quick break with the next segment.